Hello from the Mac Corner. Look at this computer. We've had this around for a little while. I lowered the price to $36.99. Brand new. This goes for $5,700 at Apple. It has Apple Care. It is loaded. It is the definition of a loaded computer. So come to the Mac Corner and get this awesome 16-inch M3 Max with 128 gigs of RAM and a 2 terabyte hard drive. And then we have over here, we have a 14-inch MacBook Pro and M1. We have a 15-inch MacBook Air, really excellent MacBook Air. And then over here we have a 13-inch MacBook Air. It has a terabyte hard drive in it and 16 gigs of RAM, $9.99. It's great for back to school if you're thinking about that already. Here we have some older ones, 2019s. I have lowered these prices over and over again. I would like to sell them, so come on in and make me an offer on one of these 2019s. Over here we have a really nice blue iMac, and this is a great replacement for a 21-inch that might be getting a little old and dated. This is an M3, I believe, or no, an M1. So it is quite nice with a terabyte and 16 gigs of RAM, $9.99. And then of course we have some iPads here. We have iPhones, and we are ready to sell them. We have this iPad mini, is a pretty new one. So come on into the Mac Corner and check out what we have.